And earlier, the funny rubbers used to be used by the players. What it used to happen like this. In one of the Hyderabad senior nationals, I saw there, not recent, it's olden days. S.S. Bose was there from the railways. He was using in those days the backhand side rubber. Never they used to be an ordinary also. They never used to. Only ply used to be there. And with that type of racket, that man Bose from railways, he bet in the men's singles individual event. Bet with the Indian player, the second round. But the very next round, he lost to an ordinary player because the ordinary player never had any effect of the funny racket. So you're correct, and what your advice for the young children to schedule the things, education as well as the continuation the table tennis? Do you feel that a table tennis player will be an intelligent student in the education also?
Depends for the background. Actually, education is a different thing. You need parental support, you need school support actually. So, but it's for sure that the grasping power of a table tennis player will be more. His concentration level increases near the table and his focusing level increases when he goes for his studies. That plays a big part, of course. But as I said, education these days has become different. Not like during our period. These days they have to do their project works. That is something different. We never had. They have to do their homework. They have to go for their tuition. They have to sit and study for their tests. And still they have to play table tennis. They have to go to school from morning till evening. So the time they have for table tennis is less. But a game like table tennis, it requires at least 6 hours of training every day. It's very important. Morning and evening the player has to play. Now, but the problem these days we have with the coaches is that we don't get age group players. We get all kinds of age group and we have to train together. Once that changes, suppose if I have only cadet children, age group of 7 to 10, about 20, it becomes easier for me to train uniformly and also properly. Same way, the next level coach can always train a sub-junior group of 12 and above. He can have some sub-junior to junior, 12 to 15 or something like that. So the third group can be handled by somebody else. So I know it is possible only in an academic system. If you have an academy where you have 2-3 levels of coaches and more tables, all the facilities, and there is a selection procedure. So if systematically if that is done, I don't think that we fail in any case. So we have to, at some stage, India will do very well at the global level.
You're correct, Mr. Vijayasadi. In this respect, even I too was on the same opinion because the Chinese coach also yesterday when I interacted him, he also told the same thing that the level of the camps, there is a basic level, medium level, then a little bit higher level, and then top level. The players, they said that the players will be promoted from the camp to camp, and the coaches also will station there. Their targets have been fixed, will be fixed to the requirement of that camp only. And the players, those who are promoting from camp to camp, as per the level of the camps, their history sheet used to be carried. Is carried from the camp to camp, and follow-up action used to be taken by the other next camp coach. It is correct because a boy who enters at the age of 12 or 10, whatever it may be, or 6 or 7, in the table tennis can end at the age of 22 or 23 under the coaching only.